future of RC has arrived. Fire up the Real Racer app, snap your device into the headset, and you are ready to race. Featuring a high-definition, low-latency video stream from the car to your headset, Real Racer is the driver's view racing experience that drops you in the thick of the action. With four-wheel drive, full independent suspension, and a fully proportional 2.4 GHz control system, Real Racer is also a highly capable RC car in its own right. These combined features let you take every twist, turn, jump, and spin as if you sat behind the wheel, and allows you to turn all manner of surfaces at home, office, or even outdoors into your track. And if you need a short break from the driver's seat, Real Racer's physical controls allows you to ditch the headset and continue racing old school.
Our team has been working very hard on this project for well over a year, and as we near the final stages of development, we're incredibly excited about getting Real Racer out there and into your hands. So please, back us now and help us take the final step in bringing Real Racer to market and putting you in the driver's seat.